In this video, we're going to add some fractions, but these fractions are a little bit different. They're called mixed fractions, and they have whole numbers as well as fractions together. So if we have a problem like this that says add 5 3/8 plus 2 1/8, what does that equal? Well, what does 5 3/8 mean? It means we have 5 whole things and then 3/8 of the same things. And similarly, for 2 1/8, we have 2 whole things and then 1/8 of that same thing. Okay, so notice that the denominators are the same. That's very important. So when the denominators are the same, you can add the numerators and leave the denominators unchanged. Okay, so we've done other ones like this before, and if you need to look at those, you'll find the links in the description below. So all you do is you add these and you keep the denominator the same. Now for the whole numbers. Add whole numbers to whole numbers and fractions to fractions. So we would add these two together, so it would be 7, and then we add these together, so it'll be 4/8. So that's how it'll look, 7 4/8. But we can reduce 4/8 further. 4 can be divided into 4 and 8. So we have to express the mixed number in lowest terms. So 4 fits into 4 once, 4 fits into 8 twice. So the final answer is 7.5. So that's it expressed in lowest terms. Okay, so if you don't understand that right away, don't worry. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You might just be one explanation away from understanding it. You could rewatch the video. You could take a look at the links. There's links in there to other videos of mine that are like this if you need more practice. As well, you could download the ebook. The ebook has this exact lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. And please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for listening.